Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for simple and effective ways to manage your blood pressure naturally, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing 10 powerful tips you can start using right at home to keep your blood pressure in check. Whether it's through lifestyle changes, eating the right foods, or even managing stress, I'll walk you through practical steps that can make a big difference in your heart health. Let's dive in and take control of your blood pressure together. Here are 10 simple ways to naturally lower your blood pressure. Number 1. Reduce salt intake. One of the biggest culprits behind high blood pressure is too much salt in your diet. Salt makes your body retain water, which can raise your blood pressure. Here's what to do. Start by reading food labels and choosing low-sodium versions of your favorite foods. Cook with fresh ingredients whenever possible, and use herbs and spices instead of salt for flavor. When eating out, ask for meals with less salt or avoid salty sauces and condiments. Remember, even small changes can make a big difference. Number 2. Exercise regularly. Exercise is a great way to lower your blood pressure naturally. You don't have to be a gym rat. Just 30 minutes of moderate exercise like walking, biking, or even dancing can help. Here's what to do. Start with activities you enjoy and can fit into your routine. Walking in your neighborhood or taking a bike ride works wonders. Gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. You can add jogging, swimming, or even strength training. Try to make exercise part of your daily life. Walk more, take the stairs, or do home workouts. Your heart will get stronger, and your blood pressure will drop over time. Number 3. Manage stress. Stress can cause sudden spikes in blood pressure, so learning to manage it is key. It's easier than you think. Here are a few tips. Practice deep breathing exercises or meditation for 5 to 10 minutes every day. Take breaks throughout your day to relax, stretch, or go for a quick walk. Make time for hobbies and activities you enjoy. Whether it's reading, painting, or gardening, doing what makes you happy will reduce stress. Set boundaries at work and at home to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Stress management is a simple, effective way to protect your heart. Number 4. Eat a healthy diet. A heart-healthy diet can work wonders for controlling blood pressure. Focus on the DASH diet, which is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Here's how to get started. Replace processed foods and snacks with whole, fresh options like fruits, veggies, and nuts. Include heart-friendly proteins like fish, chicken, beans, and lentils in your meals. Avoid sugary drinks and sodas. Instead, try water with a slice of lemon or green tea. Choose whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats over refined grains. By following this simple diet plan, you'll improve your blood pressure and overall health. Number 5. Limit alcohol. While a glass of wine here and there may seem harmless, too much alcohol can raise your blood pressure. Here's how to keep it in check. Limit yourself to no more than 1 drink a day for women, and 2 for men. If you're at a social event, alternate alcoholic drinks with water to pace yourself. Avoid binge drinking, which can cause sudden spikes in blood pressure. Consider replacing alcohol with healthier alternatives like herbal teas or sparkling water. Reducing your alcohol intake can have immediate benefits for your heart health. Number 6. Quit smoking. We all know smoking is bad for your health, but did you know it also raises your blood pressure every time you light up? Quitting smoking can have a huge impact on your heart health. Here's how. Set a quit date and prepare for it by getting rid of cigarettes and anything that reminds you of smoking. Try nicotine replacement therapy like patches or gum to help with cravings. Stay busy with hobbies and activities to distract yourself from smoking. Reach out for support from friends, family, or a quit smoking group. Quitting smoking may be tough, but it's one of the best things you can do for your blood pressure and overall health. Number 7. Lose extra weight. Carrying extra weight makes your heart work harder, which can raise your blood pressure. Losing even a few pounds can help lower it. Here's how to get started. Focus on portion control and eating balanced meals with plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid sugary and processed foods that can lead to weight gain. Combine healthy eating with regular exercise like walking, swimming, or strength training. Set realistic weight loss goals. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can significantly lower blood pressure. Remember, small changes can make a big difference when it comes to your heart health. Number 8. Increase potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps balance the effects of sodium in your body, making it a great natural way to lower blood pressure. You can get more potassium by eating these foods. Bananas, potatoes, spinach, and avocados are all rich in potassium and easy to add to your diet. Try snacking on nuts, seeds, or yogurt for a potassium boost. Include more leafy greens in your meals like kale or Swiss chard. Add fruits like oranges, cantaloupe, and apricots to your breakfast or smoothies. Potassium-rich foods can naturally help control your blood pressure while boosting overall health. Number 9. Monitor blood pressure at home. Keeping track of your blood pressure at home is an easy way to stay on top of your health. Here's how to do it right. Invest in a home blood pressure monitor. Choose one that's easy to use. Take your reading at the same time every day, preferably in the morning. Sit quietly for 5 minutes before taking your reading, and make sure your arm is supported. Record your results so you can track patterns and share them with your doctor if needed. Monitoring at home gives you more control and awareness of your blood pressure. Number 10. Get enough sleep. Good sleep is essential for keeping your blood pressure under control. Lack of sleep can make it harder for your body to regulate stress and blood pressure levels. Here's how to improve your sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. Create a calm sleep environment by reducing noise and light, and keeping your room cool. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and screen time before bed. Prioritizing sleep helps your body recover and can naturally lower your blood pressure. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found these 10 tips helpful for managing your blood pressure naturally. Remember, even small changes in your daily routine can have a big impact on your heart health. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more health tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and take care of your heart.